Right then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today, I thought to myself, you know what, we're going to go down Doughdaze today to try out the New York pizzas. I heard this is a popular place, so I thought, you know what, it's only £2 a slice, so I thought, you know what, that can't go wrong. So I thought, you know what, we're going to go down and we're going to take a look at the New York's pizza. So let's go inside and let's take a look at the New York pizzas. Here we are guys, first of all. Any slice is £2 or 12-inch pizza starts from £6. So here we are guys, so all the pizzas are here. We got pepperoni there, we got margarita, and we also got doner kebab. This is the one what we've gone for, and also got chicken and spicy veg. So here we are guys, we got our doner kebab pizza here. Look at this, how amazing is that looking? Meat on top of that, and we also got garlic sauce on that. So here we are, look at that, it's well cooked to the pizza. Behind, look at that, like this, it's New York slice pizza, you know, thin crust as well. It's thin crust. Let's give this a taste. Oh wow, plenty of flavors coming out with that pizza. You can taste the doner meat, fresh meaty doner meat. You can taste the garlic, which is nice and smooth. Really amazing, really good. Heard about this place, New York Slices Pizza. I thought to myself, wow, that's unbelievable. And plus guys, it's £2 a slice, so you can't go wrong with that £2 slice. And it is a big pizza as well. Look at the size of that pizza. But yeah guys, I'm over the moon with that pizza. I recommend you guys coming to Doughdaze in Middlesbrough to try out the pizza. Obviously there's a variety of pizzas to choose from. But obviously, I went for this one because I got a doner kebab on top of it. But as you've seen it as well, that there's a variety of pizzas to choose from. But I'm over the moon with this, so I'm really glad I've come here. So let's finish up the vlog here, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.